Regitze Simonsen from Greatness Advertising. Today I want to talk about how to get more leads and sales with Facebook ads. If you like content like this, please consider giving me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. One of the most important things when you're running any kind of advertising is to have a good offer. It should be something that also incentivizes people to take action right away. Because a lot of times people, they watch an ad and they are maybe interested, but they postpone it. They think, oh, I'll do it later, or I'll think about it or so, and then they may forget it, or they may never take action. So make sure that you have an offer with that incentivizes people to take action right away. This can be a time limited discount, like depends on the price offer you have. But if you have a coaching offer for $5,000, it can be only today one person can get my coaching offer for half price for $2,500 instead of $5,000. Save $2,500, but only for one person today. This has a scarcity also. There's only one spot. Can be more, it can be whatever you want, how many you want. It also, if you have if you sell a product, of course you can't have a big discount like that. Depends on your price point, of course. But if you have just if you have an offer with just 5% off and it's a $50 product, that's not too incentivizing. It's not too compelling for people. And also a lot of people I see, they say it's a limited time offer, but it doesn't say what time it ends. And when people go and check, they find out maybe that this time limited offer is always available. So it's not really time limited. So that doesn't work also. People also lose trust in your business when they see stuff like that. So make sure that if it's time limited, that it says the exact date and time, and also time zone of when it ends, and then it should also end at that time. Then you can run another sale or so a little bit later, but not all the time. I hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want us to do all this for you, then we are an ad agency specializing in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with us if you want to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description for that also. And please give me a like and follow and share with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time you upload a video.